In this session, let us see how to find squares between 70 to 120. That is, numbers less than 100, we will check how to find the squares. So here is the general form: n minus d, take a pause, d square. D is the difference. N is the original number. So what will be the difference? 100 minus the original number, you will get the difference, d. So substitute the values in the given formula. 87 minus 13, take a pause, 13 square, you get the answer as 7569. Carry the 1 towards the left hand side. Let us take another example, 97 square. Once again, n is the original number and the difference d is nothing but 100 minus 97. Take a pause and square the difference. Final answer we get as 9409. So it is applicable for number less than 100. Now let us see the proof behind this formula. It is nothing but 100 minus d the whole square. So a minus b the whole square. It is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Substitute the values. It is 10,000 minus 200d plus d square, 100 common, so 100 into 100 minus 2d plus d square. Now let us split 2d as 100 minus d plus d square. Now let us take 100 minus d as n, substitute it, and 100 into n minus d plus d square. The last two zeros going to be added to the difference square. So the final result will be n minus d square. So very easy formula to remember. Now let us see how to find the squares greater than 100. For less than 100, we subtract the original number with the difference. For numbers more than 100, we add. We are going to add it. So the general form is n plus d, take a pause, d square. The given number is 107. Take a pause, 7 square. N is nothing but 100 plus 7. So the final answer is 11449. Let us take another example, 116 square. So it will be 116 plus the difference from 100 to 116, the given number. And take a pause, square the difference. It will be 132, 256. Move the 2 towards the left hand side and add it. The final answer will be 13456. Very simple formula. Now let us see the proof behind this formula. It will be 100 plus d square. We are going to find the squares for number greater than 100. So we are using the a plus b the whole square formula. Do the substitutions. We get split the d here. 100 into 100 plus d square. 100 plus d indicates n plus d square. The d square is going to be added to the two zeros, so we can ignore that 100. So final result will be n plus d, take a pause, it is not plus sign, please ignore that one, take a pause, and d square. N is nothing but 100 plus d. Now let us practice some simple examples. So 76 square, quickly, it is less than 100, so 76 minus the difference between 100 and 76 is nothing but 24. Take a pause and square the difference, 24 square. We get the answer, 76 minus 24 is 52. 24 square is 576. Now move the carry and add towards the left hand side. Final answer will be 5776. Let us take another example, 13 square. So it is more than 3. So we are going to add it. The final result will be 10609. So 89 square. It is less than 100. We are going to subtract the difference. 89 minus 11 and 11 square will represent the last two digits. Move the 1 towards the left hand side. We get the final answer as 7921. So 118 square. More than 100. So we are going to add the difference. So 118 plus 18, 18 square. It will be 136. Take a pause. 18 square is 324. Move the 3 towards the left hand side and add it. The final answer will be 13924. Very simple trick to find the squares between 70 to 120.